Okay, we're gonna find the words here. We're gonna inspect the cam bearings because there's some thought when we run our fingers across them that they're rough feeling. So I'm looking with a mirror. Oh, it's cam bearings. I don't know if you can see it there. It's like chunks out of it, and it's all sharp edges. What about this one? Same thing there. Oh, just because I didn't say anything, this is the Slant 6 that we're doing for the Valiant. Well, this would end too bad, but if we're going to do 3 of them, we might as well do 4. So now...
Show that last one again, because I wasn't
one?
able to see it, but I know it's bad there.
Yeah, look at it. It's got big chunks out of it, and it's sharp edges. When I ran my finger across it, it was sharp edges, felt like broken glass.
Now, this was supposed to be a good motor that had been newly refurbished.
We pulled that cam out of there, and it was riding on these bearings. We haven't done anything to these bearings, other than I wiped them off, and that's when I wiped them off, that's when I felt the sharp edges. Felt like I say, like cut glass. So we got a mirror and some light and looked, and yep, bad. So, just ordered some cam bearings.
Yeah, we thought today was...
I was going to put the crank in today, but...
Well, if you were ever going to change out cam bearings, it doesn't get... You know, this is like the easiest position to have it in.
This is the time. Okay, so what we're going to do is grab your light. Light. I don't know where we want to put the light. Not there. Cover this thing up. We'll go...
Work on something else? Order parts.
Or something. Find out where we're going to get parts. Yep. Good.
Good work.
Yeah, great.